AUIS Awards of Fall 2019 and Spring 2020. As you may know, that last semester we were not able to hold this event due to the pandemic. However, hosting this event this semester is a testimony of the resilience and the persistence of hard work by our brilliant students. Today, I am joined by the President, Dr. Bruce Ferguson, and Vice President, Dr. Wolfgang Hink, and also Dean of Students, Dr. Baron Keohlu. They will all each give a speech and then followed by reading the names of the students who are receiving the awards. If you now may welcome Dr. Bruce Ferguson for his speech.
Thank you, Mr. Lowen. I am very proud of all of the students whom we're celebrating today for the hard work that they've invested either in maintaining their excellent performance in class or in somehow finding the time to do volunteer work in the midst of an era when doing volunteer work is almost impossible because of public health constraints. It's a measure, I think, an index, as Mr. Lowen has said, of the resilience, not just of each of you, but of the institution, that we've been able to cope so well with this unforeseen historic event, this pandemic. None of us knew it was coming. We had very little time to prepare. It's a situation where character is tested as much as anything else. And I've been very impressed with the depth of character that our students, faculty, and staff have demonstrated. It's been hard. This is a virtual event. We had a virtual commencement for our graduating seniors in the spring, the only university in Iraq to have a commencement at that time. We were able to bring some of those students back for an in-person commencement, but they couldn't bring guests. So they sat far apart from each other, received their degrees, but their fathers and mothers and families and friends had to watch from afar. That's hard. That group may be the only group of students at AUIS and maybe in the world to get 3 commencements, because if and when we have another commencement next year, when guests can be invited, class of 2020 will be brought back. So if you like commencements, I suppose that's a benefit. But for most of us, it's been a very, very difficult time. You'll hear more about this in the future, but we've been very pleased at our cautious steps to bringing students back to the classroom and to laboratories this fall. And we're looking forward in the relatively near future to building on that, to bringing many more students and all of our faculty back to the campus so that we can, if not approach normal, at least get close to it. So my congratulations again. My thanks to all of you for supporting us and each other in this difficult time. And I look forward to seeing you all again in person very, very soon. Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning to a very special day. And it's very special because I'm inviting you to my home. I'm actually speaking from my apartment. And as you know, or as you may not know actually, Germans don't easily invite anyone to their private places. I'm speaking to you from my home today. Now, I mentioned it before, my mother is 88 years old and still works full-time, not because she has to, but because she wants to. And her 2 friends, her 2 best friends are both 90. So this time I couldn't go back to Germany, but usually I take them on road trips. So I'm traveling around with 3 people who are together over 260 years old. Now, one of her best friends turned 91 just a week ago, and I called her. We talked about COVID and about being at home and being in partial lockdown. And she basically said, well, that's nothing because we went through World War. And I know these are challenging times for everyone, but you must remember what your parents, what your ancestors went through before. Whether it was the gas attacks, whether it was the fights of the Peshmerga, whether it was more recently ISIS, whether it was the difficulties for the Yazidi population during those crises, the abductions. Keep in mind that you and your families and your ancestors have shown already, have proven already that you can succeed in very, very adverse circumstances. And today we're honoring some of those students who have proven that to us academically, that despite a very, very challenging situation, a change from on-site to online basically overnight, they were able to succeed. They were able to continue to be successful. And this is a wonderful sign for all of you for your future. Now, for those of you who might still be struggling a little bit, remember what I told you before. I started with 10 F grades in my first year of college. 10 Fs out of 11 courses. I came from behind. Not just behind, I came from outside of the stadium. But I made it. I succeeded. I had a very fulfilling life. And I know you can do the same even if you're still struggling. Now, those students whose names will be read today, they're not struggling. They're performing already, they're succeeding. And I congratulate you. I'm very proud of you. I'm very happy for your achievements. And keep it going. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Wolfgang, Mr. President, Mr. Lawan. AUIS students, slow, marhaba, and hello. I am pleased and proud to be at the AUIS Awards for Fall 2019 and Spring 2020. Today, we're recognizing the best and brightest and the most dedicated students of the university. More than 200 AUIS students will be receiving certificates today for their academic accomplishments and their dedicated services to the university and the community. Students who received semester GPAs of 3.5 or higher will be honored under the Dean's List and the President's List. Students who volunteered service hours for such social programs as environmental protection, cultural protection, refugee aid, and helping disadvantaged youth will be awarded under our signature Service Learning Program, also known as SLP. Over the years, hundreds of AUIS students have donated approximately 60,000 hours of their time under the SLP. And we are very proud of you for that. Now, the last 10 months, as Dr. Bruce and Dr. Wolfgang have pointed out, have been tough on all of us. Our lives have been disrupted. Some of us have not been able to see our families in a very long time. Few of us, unfortunately, have lost loved ones to COVID-19 or have become ill ourselves. More of us know someone, a loved one, who has become ill or have lost their income because of the pandemic. So it may appear a little bit self-aggrandizing, if you will, or gratuitous to hold an awards ceremony at a time like this. Some, especially our detractors, may say, why is AUIS holding an awards ceremony at a time when people are hurting? I disagree with that outlook. I think it's exactly at a time like this that we should hold an awards ceremony so that we can celebrate our accomplishments in the face of adversity, to see how so many of our peers have prevailed over adversity and worked towards a better future for themselves and their loved ones, and to also learn to appreciate and to understand how the successes of our peers reflect and represent the hard work that researchers, medical researchers, and medical workers are putting on behalf of all of humanity day in, day out. As we look around the world to news about new treatments and new vaccines, it looks like the pandemic will be a thing of the past in a few years, we hope. And our students who are being honored today are a proof of the notion that no matter how tough times get, tough people never give up. In similar crises in the future, crises similar to the current pandemic, Your AUIS education, your mental discipline, your conscientious mind, your strong work ethic will be a great boon to you, your family, your loved ones, your community, Kurdistan, Iraq, and all of humanity. To help you become well-rounded individuals who could make a big difference in the near future, we're hoping to expand our efforts as student services in spring 2021. To that end, we're hoping to, with Dr. Bruce's support, dedicate a new student activities center next semester for your socialization and personal reflection and spending quality time with your friends. I would like to once again congratulate each and every one of you, the award recipients. I hope to see your ranks swell as more of your friends join you in future semesters. And hopefully, I hope to see more of you in spring 2021 on campus, and hopefully all of you in the near future when the pandemic recedes. I'm sorry. Thank you very much. Salawan?
Thank you, Dr. Barron, for your speech. And now we will proceed reading the names of the students who are receiving the awards. First and foremost, President's List, Fall 2019. Ahmed Ahmed, Muhammad Rasul, أجدر توفيق, بانا محمد, بيناي صابر, دشتي محمد فرج, أذين حسن, هستي عمر, هادي حما أمين, كارو رسول, كوجين مجيد, مروان أمين, مير عبد الله, محمد عمر, محمد رسول, نور عمر, روجان حما أمين, سردم رسول, شافين صالح, شيار قادر, تارا محمد شواني, زانيار علي, Gila Hasib. And now for Dean's List, Fall 2019. Sorry. Aga Umar, Ala Rasho, Ansar Anwar, Awin Jalal, Bana Azad Tawfiq, Barzi Muhammad, Ghazala Shvan, Hataw Hussein, Kandish Muhammad, Kani Sabir, Kaziwa Hussein Wirya, Kije Hama Amin, Kojin Hama Saleh, Kojin Tahir, Las Muhammad, Milan Amin, Muhammad Hassan, Mukriyan Hassan, Nasser Muhammad Tariq, Paywand Ghafoor, Parao Baiz, Prusha Bakr, Rawan Al Jabouri, Ras Haider, San Jamal, Sara Abd Ahmed, Saya Ali, Shalaw Qadir, Shlova Jabbar, Yerivan Kamal, Yasna Muhammad Ali, Zahra Al Rubai, Jalian Ali. And now for Service Learning Program, Fall 2019, 10 to 25 hours of service. Ahmed Najm, Akar Sherko, Alan Ahmed, Arez Namiq, Balen Hiwa, Bayan Ali, Bro Bala, Tra Yasin, Chro Abdul Wahid, Dashti Uthman, Ithar Amin Abdul Rahim, Halat Aziz, Hassan Qusay Yusuf, Helene Muhammad, Heva Tahir, Juan Aram, Laith Muhammad, Lano Diari, Miran Fazil Ahmed, Mir Nawzat Abdullah, Mu'min Mustafa, Muhammad Shorash, Naska Umar, Pawan Bakr Said, Rebaz Uzairi, Roj Dana, Sara Ismail, Saya Ardalan Hamid, Shania Aziz, Shiar Faridun, Solan Hussein Ahmed, Zubayda Nihat. And now for 26 hours to 50 hours of service. Ahmed Ali Rafiq, Aland Aso Umar, Bana Azad Tawfiq, Binai Salar Ahmed, Chawan Azad, محمد طيب بيرس عثمان نجم الدين سانيا رزقار عبد القادر سرهنج محمد علي سركو مجيد جينو عمر إسماعيل. And now for 51 hours to 75 hours of service. داركو حمد جلال دافين دلير دلفا محمد هوراس حسين محمد مصطفى عمران ناصر محمد طارق رافي هورين غريب. And now 76 hours to 100 hours of service. هلغورت خير الله عبد الله أسامة عثمان. And now over 100 hours of service for fall 2019. Ismail Jamal Ahmed, San Ali Muhammad. And now President's List for Spring 2020. Ahmed Ali Rafiq, Aran Rauf, Awin Jalal, Aya Abbas, Bana Muhammad, Chenar Qadir, Dania Dawood, Didar Abdul Rahman, Dilvin Osman, Avin Hassan, غيد مؤيد هتاو حسين هيفي عبد الله كازيوا حسين وريا كوجين حما صالح ليليان محمد نور عمر بروشا بكر روند مصطفى راس حيدر سردم رسول ساريش شوقي شافين صالح شلوفا جبر ترى محمد شواني جيلا حسيب. And now Dean's List, Spring 2020. Ahmad Umar Barzanji, Akam Muhammad, Ala Abbas, Aroz Hamataki, Asal Al-Tamimi, Binyat Ali Haider, Bro Faraj Al-Banna, Tawan Azad, Danyar Taha, Dena Tariq, Dilan Ahmed, Diwan Mustafa, Dia Abdul Qadir, Ivan Jaf, Govan Jalal, Haider Shkur, Haval Mustafa, Hedi Hamad Amin, Juman Salim, Kani Sabir, Karam Jaju, Karo Rasul, Karwan Abdullah, Kajan Qadir, Kojin Muhammad, Kojin Tahir, Lana Hatim, Lara Abdul Karim, لافين عبد الرحمن لونا ناظف مريم مؤيد محمد كريم مكريان حسن نيفان عبد الرحمن نشتمان عثمان عمر حسين باراو بايز بيشواز رشيد قباس عباس رامان أحمد ريباس كريم ريام نوري روني حسان سان جمال سارة عبد الله شاتو أحمد سوزيار أحمد سورين محمد فاناس سعيد محمد ورزير مصطفى زهرة الربيعي زهرة باقي الأصلاني زانيار علي جيار لطيف. And now Service Learning Program Fall 2020 10 to 25 hours of service. أحمد علي رفيق آكار شيركو بانو آوات هيرش هيوا فريق هوزاك جمال سعيد محمد شورش حمد سقفان رشيد سليم سايا أردلان حميد. And now Fall 2020 26 hours to 50 hours of service. Davin Deler Ahmed. And now 51 hours to 75 hours of service. Darko Hama Jalal. Dilva Muhammad. 76 hours to 100 hours of service. Ismail Jamal Ahmed. And now for the SAE Games of Fall 2020 winner, Ms. Rajiar Rasul. Congratulations. And also for the AUIS Fall 2020 Photography Contest winner, Mr. Hatwan Ali. We are featuring his photo here, and congratulations, everyone. I'd like to go back to Dr. Barron for his closure remarks.
Thank you very much, Mr. Lowen. Before we conclude the event, I would like to thank our Student Services Coordinator, Mr. Lowen Sirwan, and our wonderful Student Support Assistant, Ms. Kazi Kemal, for helping me to put this event together. Honestly, instead of helping me, they really did most of the work. So in many respects, I helped them do the work. So thank you both, Mr. Lowen and Ms. Kazi. Our colleagues in the AUIS Communications and IT offices, especially Ms. Shana Jamal and Mr. Shad Rashid, who is actually the host of this event, all were immensely critical in providing technical assistance to make this event a reality. Of course, President Bruce Ferguson and our VPA, Dr. Wolfgang Hink, imparted upon us their wisdom. So I would also like to thank them for joining us today. Most importantly, I'd like to thank our students for their successes. Your successes inspire us, folks, and I wish that your accomplishments, both in your academic studies, but also in your giving to the community, will continue for the rest of the winter in spring 2021 and beyond. Quick final note: I would like to point out that Mr. Lowen, as Mr. Lowen was reading the names of the awards recipients, you may have noticed that they pretty much looked like certificates. And we are going to actually prepare physical certificates for each and every one of the awards winners, so that in the next couple of days, we will send these certificates off to our copy center and have them ready, hopefully by next week. And we will send you all additional instructions about how to pick up the physical copies of your certificates. So that's it. Thank you very much, everyone. I wish you all a great day, a great success in the final exams. And as I said in my introductory remarks, hope to see many of you in the near future, and hope to see all of you on campus, hopefully, perhaps, who knows, maybe next year or sometime even sooner. Depends on how the treatments and vaccines issue works out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.